Well, 10 on your side is digging deeper and learning more about the couple arrested for arson on the Eastern Shore. Tanya Bundick and her boyfriend Charles R. Smith III were picked up after a fire in Accomack County Monday night. Our cameras recorded this video of Bundick after she faced a judge this afternoon. She was assigned a court-appointed attorney. 10 on your side's Andy Fox was in that courtroom during Bundick's hearing. And Andy, what else did you learn about her boyfriend Charles Smith and his criminal past?
It really is amazing and astonishing. We were the first to report that he has been found guilty of 31 felonies, and that's part of the court record. We went over to the circuit court and we were digging through the files, and we just find a history of a man who constantly has gotten into trouble and has been put on probation, has had drug abuse problems. There's also an indication here that he's had a suicide problem, and yet now he was able to fight fires with a local fire station here. And now he is the suspect in what is known as Virginia's worst case of arson.
What is your
Tanya,
motive?
Charlie says that you drove the car. Did you drive the car?
No comment.
No comment from Tanya Bundick, how Charles Smith, also known as Charles Applegate, admitted to detectives how she drove this car. Dropped him off. Detectives saw Smith set a fire. Watched Bundick pick up Smith and drive away. They were stopped as they were leaving. Smith has confessed and has an attorney, so he did not appear in court. But Bundick did and got a court-appointed attorney. Only 10 on your side was with Bundick as she returned to the Accomack County Jail, her new home.
Tanya, why'd you guys do these crimes? Why'd you burn buildings down? What was the purpose?
In her old home that she shared with Smith and her two sons, we discovered what detectives took away as evidence: 1 plastic gas can, 3 pairs of boots, 1 pair of coveralls, 2 laptops. Smith took the name of his stepfather, George Applegate. We spoke with him yesterday. Today, he had no comment, but a neighbor told us he's quoted as saying he did not think Charles was smart enough to set all the fires. Smith only finished 9th grade, but earned a GED. In court, we found Smith has been convicted of 31 felonies, most of them 24 counts of forgery in 1994, totaling about $2,600. He got probation, but that was revoked when he failed a drug test for cocaine. He went to jail, was released, but in 1999, he was sentenced to time served for 2 counts breaking and entering and 2 counts grand larceny, breaking into 2 homes. Even after all this, he is recorded at Accomack County Circuit Court as an active member of the Tasley Volunteer Fire Company from 2001 until he last appeared on the active duty roster dated November 14, 2011. He did not appear on the roster dated December 2012. Law enforcement thinks they have the arson suspects. The $25,000 reward for information sign now reads, "Thanks for your help and support." Now, these are the active duty lists. 10 on your side's gone all the way back here in the county court, circuit court. They have to be on file. That's the policy. All the way back to 2002. Coming up tonight on Wavy News 10 at 5:45, I go over these. We'll go through these and we'll show you exactly how Mr. Smith appeared on all of these active duties all the way up to basically 2012. We'll have that coming up at 5:45. Again, we've put in requests to have interviews with both of the arson suspects, and they have declined. They are back in court in May. In Accomack County, Andy Fox, 10 on your side.